Kale is one of the best vegetables that you can eat for health. It has many health benefits including antioxidant content and a strong immune system benefit. How are they used to provide these health benefits? As with any other vegetable, you should eat the best quality of kale that you can find. Kale is one of the healthy greens that is grown for its tasty, bright green leaves and not for its nutrition. However, in recent years it has become popular for its nutritional value. You should try to find the finest organic variety available. This is often in the form of a very crisp green leafy greens. One of the health benefits of kale is the vitamin A found in its leaves. Vitamin A is an antioxidant that can help to reduce the risk of contracting colds and flu and other colds. Kale also has other health benefits as well. For example, when properly cooked, kale has been shown to absorb most of the iron from foods. Many vegetables cannot be easily absorbed by a body that contains iron-deficient people. A great source of potassium, kale is an excellent addition to any diet as a natural way to increase your daily consumption of this mineral. Though it is not considered the complete diet, it provides all the necessary nutrients that can make your health better. Another of the health benefits of kale is the way that it has been used to create a perfect vacuum for the lymphatic system. Since the main function of the lymphatic system is to eliminate waste products from the body, it is especially helpful if you are suffering from an ongoing illness or disease. Kale is a good source of fiber and protein. It is helpful in lowering cholesterol and provides needed vitamins and minerals. Other health benefits of kale include the fact that it is an effective treatment for heart disease.